Hey, what's going on, builders? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing more of a detailing video and not a how-to, but I really hope you guys like it. And today, for the car, for our detailing for King's Customs, we have a 2000 Toyota Camry LE. So I'm going to show you around and let's get started. As you can see walking around, this car is a 2000 Camry, Toyota Camry LE. As you can see, it's got some egg whites smothering down the side. A little bit of egg right there. I'm guessing the car got egged. Just gonna have to fix up that and fix up this mirror because obviously there's some dirt and all that, and there's some bird poop and all that. We're just gonna fix this car up, but detailing, make her look clean, make all the rims look clean, keep walking around, just give it a nice fresh detail. It's a 2000 Toyota Camry. Hasn't been to me in a while, so it's going to put the KingszKustomsz touch on it and re-clean it. But as you can see, it's gonna be cleaned by yours truly, KingszKustomsz. So yeah, with this, I'm gonna be doing a more of a time lapse because you guys just don't want to watch me cleaning it and just talking and having the hose. So I'm just gonna have that so you can have some relaxing music on. We can have some relaxing music playing while I'm cleaning it, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Hope builders enjoy, and let's get started. As you builders can see, I just finished with the exterior on the car. Looks so much 10 times better. That egg yolk and all that crap, all that was smeared on here, got it around to the back. It's looking nice. Obviously the mirrors, I'm sorry, the brake lights looking great. The tires are looking good. There is a hubcap missing, but that's fine. Just going around, it's obviously looking great. Mirrors, it literally looks brand new, so I just made it look like a 2022. even though it is, I know, obviously a 2000. But yeah, it's looking good. The roof's looking good. So now I'm going to be moving on to the interior. Luckily, I've like my customer has always kept up, and also ever since I took over cleaning the car, I've always been keeping up, making sure it looks clean. So really, this is gonna be kind of more easy. Just gonna, honestly, because it's cloth and texture plastic, not texture plastic or what have you. Just gonna give it a nice wipe down, clean up the windows, and that'll be it for the interior. And yeah,